people run after celebrity. They idolize the neon gods, famous people such as sex symbols, musicians, actors, athletes. So we're all running after them. We think that the closer we can get to these individuals, then honorable we are, and that we have, achieved greatness. And it could also be healthier versions like spiritual leaders, public figures, psychologists, therapists. There are famous ones, and I've mentioned one in the book. What is it? Tony, I think it's the motivational speaker, Tony Robinson's, where they did that walking on fire stuff. And so people are kind of all running to these very important public celebrity figures. But sometimes, unfortunately, by imitating these individuals, we also adopt their flaws, substance abuse, their social problems, their history of issues, predatory, abusive behavior, mental illnesses. And I also mentioned that out of 300 mental disorders in the past 60 years, 294 were identified in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders. Not to say that we're all mentally ill, but as I said, if you will grab the energy of what you follow or what you have awe of. That's why it's essential that we nurture within ourselves cognition and awareness or awe of God. So, and when we're following the prophets, and in particular, leader of the prophets, we are learning and we are absorbing their actions, and we're doing a self-check and receiving, learning from them the prayers of how to communicate with God.